Hi guys, I want to talk to you about one of the most exciting things I think around for iPads, and that is screen capture software. So here I am. Now the cool thing about it is I can draw as I go, okay? And it's recording what I say. This has got huge potential for you in the classroom. It means that you can literally demonstrate a lesson and record it on the fly. Once it's recorded, you keep it, and then you can drop that particular thing into Facebook, into Edmodo, into Yammer, or a blog or anything like that. You can upload it to various websites. So it's got huge potential for you, and I really want to promote this as something you do, whether it's as a whole class or whether it's in a maths group or a writing group or a reading group or anything like that. Once you've done it, you've got it. Okay, now there's quite a few different here. There's one here which is called Screenshot. There's another one called Edu Creations. There's Show Me, and all these are free. And then there's this last one, which is the one I'm using, which is called Explain Everything. Now, Explain Everything, I think, is $4.99, but it does do a bit more, so it's probably worth considering. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you an example of how you might do a maths lesson. Okay, so I've got a problem here and I've got 10 squares and I'm doing 9 plus 7. Okay, now the cool thing about this is that I can go along here and explain the problem. So I've got 9 and 7. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one off here, if I can, and I'm going to pop it across to here. Okay, so what I'm doing is that now I'm making this 10 and this 6. So of course I've got a friendly number, so 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay, so this is just an example, but what that means is that you can explain that, then you can put it on Edmodo, or you can put it on Yammer, or you can put it on anything like that and say, look, this is how you do the problem. It's done once. So you've got a parent that says, oh, my kid doesn't know how to do this. You can say, look, here it is. You've got a kid that says, I don't know how to do this. You can say, go to your iPod, go to the computer, look at it, I've taken the lesson, it's there for you. Okay, so huge potential there. And the cool thing about this, of course, is that you can do it all on the fly. So you don't have to spend ages recording or creating. You can just make this in a few minutes. So I hope you really get into this, because I think the potential for this is huge. Somehow I believe that we've got to create a window into our classroom. Not to make life harder for ourselves, but to make life easier, so that people can actually see in and see the kind of wonderful things that you do. You know, you've got to get what you're doing out and about. Make life easier for you. So this is a little lesson. This particular one's called Explain Everything. Have a go. It's really worth it.